So hello guys, back to a new video. You all be thinking that what is this video? You are not doing anything, you are just ember mining. But it's not a normal video. I had done some calculations to get the best money making in Fake Pixel Skyblock. The best one. The max money per hour you can have in this game. So according to me, with my setup, I am getting 220 mil per hour Jasper mining. If I mine any other ores, I will also be getting 80 to 90 mil per hour. But Jasper is expensive. You all know that any gem is 200 and Jasper is almost 1 mil. So if I mine Jasper, I will be getting 220 mil, almost 200 if ping is bad and I am not always perfect. So 220 mil on the higher end. If I had maxed setup, I can say that I don't have max setup. Max setup, I will be making 270 mil or more, almost 300 I guess. But it's only one fairy gota one. You can't mine all. You will always mine all the gems before they respawn. So you will need to get 2 fairy gota cords near each other. They won't double your money but will increase it from 300 mil to almost 500 mil per hour. Now it had to be coal mare. You all know that while a fiesta is going on, you will make double the amount of gems or anything will be doubled. So 500 double 1 bill per hour, and also you will drop glossy mineral. That's another, how much that will be, 200 mil. So it will be 1.2 bill. And if it was Jerry and coal, your pristine and everything will also be high. So you will be making a lot more than right now. I am still missing 1200 mining speed, 340 mining fortune and 0.2 pristine. I am not max, I can say that, but I will be max soon. Max rates are, according to me, all you need is a max mining setup, a Jasper route with 2 Jasper cords near each other, with a Devon's drill and perfect armor, fully perfect, all perfect gems, everything, artifact of power, everything recon, everything equipments, everything. Then you will also need Jerry Mare to be active for 10% extra mining speed, mining fortune and pristine. And it had to be a Jerry Mare with coal, with a fiesta happening. Then you will be making 1.6 to 1.5 bill per hour without anything. That's a lot to me, and I don't think so that will ever happen. So bye. New video will come soon. So please wait kindly. And also, I am also trying to get G-Drag. My armor isn't not perfect right now. I am getting 400k amber, amethyst, jade or any other gem. Sapphire also counting in this. I am getting, and topaz I am getting 300k per in 5 minutes. Ruby I am getting almost 500k. Ruby is very easy to get, it's easy to mine. So that's all. That's a good. I am good getting a good rates. So bye.